Okay, so I'm going to be using the Sikkens Autosurfacer UV, UV primer, and I will be carrying it with the Tesla Cure light. Now what you want to do for the first coat is you want to go over it and then back over it, and that's it. And then you will dry it for 8 seconds, and then you apply another coat. So we'll go ahead and start. Okay, so now we're ready for another coat. The reason for only drying it for 8 seconds on the first coat is so that it still will stick, the second coat will still stick to the first coat. If you dry it too much, then it might be too dry and there won't be any adhesion. So we're going to do the same thing spray-wise on the second coat. Now I'm going to dry that for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. You can do it however long you want, but you want it to be, see how you can still see through it? You still want it to be transparent. That way it will dry the whole thing. Okay, so like I said, you want it to still be transparent. That way you know that it dried the whole thing. If it's not transparent, maybe there might be, the primer underneath might not be dried because it is only dried by UV light. It doesn't dry by heat or on its own after time. Anything like that, it has to be UV light. Make sure that you wear your glasses while doing this and a respirator. Now the primer is actually very thick, even though it is out of an aerosol can. It's a 320 here. As you can see, there's a lot of build on there. Even though it was transparent, you could see through it. There's still a lot of build, a lot of primer on there. Great for a quick repair that you need done now. You need to get in the booth. It only takes, a couple minutes to do the whole thing. Get it sanded, get it in the booth, get it out of here. I do use this quite often. I really like this primer. Great, comes in handy.